So in this video, we want to talk about how to find journal articles on specific Greek words. There are two databases in EBSCO that allow you to search for Greek terms. However, it doesn't use a Greek characters. You have to use Roman characters that represent the Greek letters, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. The best way to search, at least until you get used to the specific language that these databases use to search for articles on Greek terms, the best way to search is actually to hit the indexes. And to find the indexes in Atlas Religion Database, you go to More and then click Indexes on its home page. With Catholic Periodical Index, which is the other database, you just find the Indexes button and it takes you to the same exact search page. The difference will be in what's in this drop-down menu for the Browse and Index, which is what we're doing here. We are browsing or searching an index alphabetically. So you don't have to type out the full word. As long as you know the first couple of letters, you can type and see if there's an article on that particular subject. So let's demonstrate this. That might make more sense. So we click the drop-down menu. We see subjects all. That's what we want. You'll notice with Catholic Periodical Index there are other options, but we want to choose subjects all. In Atlas, back over here, we just have the subjects all category in the Browse and Index. So we're going to click that, and then from this point out, they're both searching for Greek terms is the same as it would be in both databases. So anyway, so you have to know the specific language of the database in order to be able to search for that subject heading. And so here we'll type in Greek language space hyphen hyphen space terms. And then I'm just going to do a quick browse to illustrate some things. But it's very important that you put in Greek language space hyphen hyphen space terms. If you don't have those spaces between the hyphens, it doesn't work. At least it didn't last time I tried it. So you'll see we have our 647 articles here on the Greek language, but you'll see it begins to break down that 647 based upon the word that we use. So we'll see adelphos here. If we were to type that in, we'd find 20 items. It's important to know that rough breathing marks are represented with a H. So I'm going to type in hemera, which is the term I want to search for. Notice again I've had to put the space, hyphen, hyphen, space, and then my Greek term. Click Add, and there I see, for some reason that didn't work well. That's why Browse. I clicked Add, sorry. So there you see that hemera is there, and I have two articles on that. And then I can just click Add. It adds that to the top. So I check the box and click Add, and it adds this to the search box, and then I click Search, and there I find the two articles on hemera that are in this database, and I could do the same in Catholic Periodical Index. So that's how you search for Greek terms in EBSCO databases.